Welcome to the Bluebird High School Alumni Association, your official platform to reconnect, contribute and celebrate our shared memories. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to register and activate your alumni account on bbhsaa.org. First, open your web browser and go to bbhsaa.org. You'll see the official homepage of the Bluebird Alumni Association. Next, click on the Register button at the top of the page. This will take you to the membership registration form. Now fill out the registration form with your details, including your full name, SSC year, email address, phone number and other information properly. Then type a password that you'll use later to log in to the portal. Upload your portrait photo. This will appear in your alumni profile. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit button to complete your registration. After submitting the form, check your email inbox. You'll receive an activation email from Bluebird High School Alumni Association. Open it and click on the activation link to verify your account. Once your account is activated, return to bbhsaa.org and click on Login. Enter your email and password and you'll see your personal dashboard. From here, you can update your profile, register for events and stay connected with other Blue Birdians. That's it! You're now officially part of the Bluebird High School alumni community. Thank you for joining us and welcome back to the Bluebird family. Visit bbhsaa.org regularly to stay updated on events, news and opportunities.